This video is brought to you by Dr. Kristen R. Bromley's Guitar Method Book Series and Online Music Academy.
Hi, I'm Dr. Kristen Bromley. Welcome to my online academy. I'm so glad to be here with you, helping you play the guitar. In this video, we're going to go over a new finger picking pattern that works really well for 4/4 time. Super fun. Of course, after I've gone over it, we'll jam together on a couple chord progressions with this right along with bass and drums accompaniment, which makes it super great. This video accompanies lesson 10 from my Chords and Harmony Books 1 and 2 method book. In the book, we're going to start on page 65. This is finger picking pattern number 27, found there on page 65. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. We start off with thumb and ring finger doing a pinch happening at the same time for the quarter note rhythm, and then index middle, thumb, ring, index, middle. So I'm just going to demonstrate it with an E minor chord. Of course, I'm in standard positioning, index plucking that third string, middle plucking the second string, ring finger plucking the top string, and thumb plucking the bass note. For E minor, that's the low sixth string. So we'd have ready and go, and practice that sort of thing on an E minor as much as you'd like to. It's good to start practicing it with some other chords once you get comfortable there. We're going to do it a lot with A minor, D minor, and E or E7. So I'm going to go ahead and work on it just going A minor, and you can work on it with the D minor, on it with the E7 or the E. They're going to sound the same in standard positioning, and you'll be good with A minor. So I'm just going to do a little chord progression like that once per chord. I'll do one time on the pattern per chord: A minor, D minor, E or E7, and then coming back to A minor. So you'd have ready and go, and now you can take it faster or slower, whatever you need to. I'll demonstrate it a little bit faster. Ready and go, and so kind of like that. Now, once you get it happening, of course, it's time to jam together on a chord progression. So we're going to jam on two different ones. We'll start off with number 7 there on page 65. Then we're going to go over to page 52 and do number 3. And we'll just insert this once per chord. Now, with the ones that we're playing, it's just going to have one chord per measure. There's no places where we have 2 chords per measure. With this pattern, if you did have 2 chords per measure, you could use the first half twice, or because we have that thumb pluck, you could actually use the first half for the first chord and the second half for the second chord. So that's just a little FYI. But let's go ahead and jam together on these chord progressions that happen twice, first at that slower tempo and then that faster tempo, and that'll give us a good chance to use this pattern in practice. So it's going to be great. Let's do it. All right, awesome. In the next video, we are going to learn another great finger picking pattern, one that's similar to this, but slightly different. So it's going to be super awesome. Take care, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And be sure to check out more great content. You can find more information about me and my products at KristenBromley.com. Take care.